My name is Janis. I am at the Nashville campus. I am currently in the LPN Bridge program, ADN program. My experience at Galen so far has been very positive. The staff, the instructors, the atmosphere at the Galen School of Nursing has been very positive. The instructors have been helpful. There's plenty of resources to take advantage of to help with your learning. I feel like Galen does a very good job of preparing us for the real world. I'm already an LPN, a nurse, so I do have some real world experience, but Galen has also helped me expand or improve that real world experience. We have advantages as far as getting out and doing hands-on clinicals. There's great sim lab experience. Overall, I'm very happy that I chose Galen.